Hi! For today's video is how to download music from Spotify. Spotify allows users with Spotify Premium to download music so that they can listen to their favorite songs, albums, playlists, or podcasts online. If you're about to hop on a long train ride or heading to an area without Wi-Fi, here's how to download your favorite songs for offline listening with a Spotify Premium account. So first thing you're gonna do is launch the Spotify app, and then you should be logged in on your Spotify Premium account. Then tap your library on the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap playlist or album you want to download. Then press the three dots on the right of your want to download. Then just press download. Then this will be immediately download the songs in the playlist or album. You'll see a green downward facing arrow next to each song when the download is complete. To access the downloaded Spotify playlist or album on your phone, all you have to do is tap library and tap the downloaded filter button at the top. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!